Hey, have you heard about the Tiger of Mysore? Are you familiar with the name Tipu Sultan?
Let me brief you about that remarkable personality in history of India.
How nursery? Why do you want to talk about him now?
That's because I have recently read an article about him and I would like to discuss it with you.
Then hold on. Be ready to get more surprises.
Where are you taking me? Is it Tipu Sultan's birthplace?
Yes, Rohan. Tipu Sultan or Sultan Fatih Ali Sahab Tipu was born on 20th November 1750. He was also known as Tipu Sahab or the Tiger of Mysore. He was the ruler of Kingdom of Mysore, based in South India, and a pioneer of rocket artillery.
Do you know more about his childhood?
Oh, sorry, I don't know much about his early days.
Don't worry, I can provide you with more information about his childhood.
Tipu Sultan was born at Devanahalli in Bangalore. His father, Hyder Ali, was a military officer in the service of the Kingdom of Mysore. Tipu Sultan was introduced to the military at the age of 15. He accompanied his father against British in the First Mysore War in 1766.
Hello.
Hi Christopher.
Oh, hi Rohan. How are you?
I'm fine. Hey, we are going to Mysore.
Oh, what to do? I was also willing to come, but I can't. Anyways, have a happy and also a safe journey. Why can't I go to Mysore? Why? Why can't I?
Chris, why are you screaming?
What? It was a dream? I thought I was really in Mysore. Oh.
In 1779, Tipu fought the Second Anglo-Mysore War. When the British captured French-controlled fort of Mahi, which Tipu had placed under his protection, Tipu's father dispatched 10,000 men and 80 iron cannons. In this battle, Tipu decisively defeated the British and brought down their army of nearly 7,000 men. By the time his father died, in 1782, he became the ruler of Mysore. He then started working to keep the advances of British in check by making allies with France, Afghanistan, and the Sultan of Turkey.
In 1789, Tipu triggered the Third Anglo-Mysore War, which was a conflict in South India between the Kingdom of Mysore and the British East India Company. The war lasted 3 years and brought the end of Tipu.
He was forced to sign a treaty while giving up his kingdom, and 2 of his sons were held hostage. He paid a ransom of 3 crores and 30 lakh rupees to the British to rescue his sons.
In 1799, Tipu fought his last war. General Richard Wellesley was on a mission to draw down the crown of Mysore, and this began the Fourth Mysore War. With others, he marched to Seringapatam. Tipu was caught unprepared for the battle to keep up his nickname, the Tiger of Mysore.
Since the British was over-dominating in that era, Tipu Sultan was forced to surrender his palace and he was shot dead at the end. This is the place where Tipu Sultan and his father were buried at the mausoleum that he had built himself.
The history witnessed Tipu's period full of continuous war, but still a symbol of honor, status, and prestige.
Even now, he is remembered in the southern part of India. His influence on the four major southern states as a ruler. Tipu Sultan cannot be replaced. In this modern era, Tipu Sultan's kingdom and legacy is preserved in the museums and archives taken care of by the Government of India.
Hi friends, today we are going to view the beautiful Brindavan garden. Let's enjoy.